Welcome to Tax Smarts Unlocked, the podcast for individuals and small business owners looking to conquer the tax landscape with confidence. Hosted by seasoned tax professional David Robson of Premier Tax and Business Services, each episode is packed with insightful advice on proactive tax planning to help you navigate the complexities of tax laws. Here's your host, David Robson.
Welcome to another episode of Tax Smarts Unlocked. I'm your host, David Robson, and today we're diving deep into the topic of smart strategies for reducing your tax liability during tax season. For many individuals and small business owners, tax season can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. The rules are complex, the paperwork can be overwhelming, and there's always the lingering fear of making a costly mistake. But today, we're going to tackle these challenges head-on by exploring proactive planning techniques that can ease the burden and potentially save you money. Let's start by acknowledging the importance of proactive tax planning. Many people view taxes as a once-a-year nightmare, something to be avoided until the last minute. However, with some foresight and planning throughout the year, tax season can become much less stressful and more efficient. By engaging in proactive planning, you can identify tax-saving opportunities and make informed decisions that minimize your liability and maximize your financial positions. Understanding the current tax laws is crucial, as it forms the foundation for your planning strategies. Tax codes are notoriously complex and they're constantly changing. It's easy to fall into common pitfalls if you're not up to date with the latest rules and regulations. This is where professional guidance becomes invaluable. Keeping abreast of these changes and adapting your strategy accordingly is paramount, as even small tweaks can significantly impact your tax obligations. Let's explore some case studies to see these strategies in action. One client, a small business owner, was struggling with high tax liabilities due to a lack of strategic planning. By working together, we identified deductions and credits they were overlooking, such as the home office deduction and various business expenses. We also implemented a strategy for better tracking these expenses throughout the year. This proactive approach saved them thousands and reduced their stress levels immensely. Speaking of deductions and credits, many taxpayers miss out on these simply because they're unaware of what's available to them. It's crucial to understand the full range of deductions and credits you might qualify for. For instance, education credits, energy efficiency credits, and even credits related to healthcare can add up to significant savings. Similarly, business owners can benefit from generous deductions for expenses related to running their business, from equipment purchases to travel costs. The role of a professional tax preparer or planner cannot be overstated in navigating complex tax situations. Not only do they bring specialized knowledge of tax law, but they can also offer a fresh perspective on your financial situation. Professionals can identify strategies that you might not consider and help you organize your financial records efficiently, ensuring that you don't miss out on any opportunities to save. Their services can more than pay for themselves in the amount of time, stress, and money you save. Organizing your financial documents and records efficiently is another cornerstone of reducing tax headaches. Throughout the year, maintaining a well-structured system for your financial records is crucial. Whether it's a digital filing system or good old-fashioned paper files, having your documents organized means you can find what you need when you need it. This has the dual benefit of making tax preparation smoother and reducing the chances of errors that might trigger an audit. Tax-efficient investments and retirement planning are other excellent strategies for minimizing your tax liability while also securing your financial future. Think about maximizing contributions to tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401(k)s. These contributions can often provide immediate tax deductions while growing tax-deferred. It's a win-win strategy where you reduce your current tax burden while growing your nest egg for the future. Finally, staying informed about tax law changes is essential, as they can directly impact your financial strategy. Tax policies can change with new administrations or when new budget needs arise. Being aware of these changes ensures that you can adjust your strategy in time to benefit or to mitigate any negative impacts they may have on your situation. Again, this is another area where a professional can provide ongoing advice and adjustments tailored to your needs. As we wrap up this episode of Tax Smarts Unlocked, I hope I've highlighted the value of being proactive when it comes to tax planning. Whether you're an individual feeling overwhelmed or a small business owner wanting to ensure your hard-earned money isn't wasted. These strategies can transform tax season from a source of dread to one of opportunity. Embrace the expertise of a professional, stay informed, and plan ahead. By doing so, you put yourself in a stronger financial position and can approach your taxes with greater confidence and clarity. Thank you for tuning into this episode. Remember, every dollar saved on taxes is a dollar earned towards your financial goals. If you found this episode helpful, please share it with others who might benefit. Feel encouraged to reach out if you need further advice tailored to your situation. Until next time, this is David Robson, helping you unlock the smarts in your tax strategy. Have a great day.
Thank you for joining us on Tax Smarts Unlocked, the ultimate podcast for individuals and small business owners ready to conquer the tax landscape with confidence. Hosted by seasoned tax professional David Robson of Premier Tax and Business Services. Each episode has been carefully crafted to provide you with insightful advice on proactive tax planning. By adopting a smarter tax approach, you can focus on what you do best, growing your wealth and your business. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't miss an episode. Subscribe to Tax Smarts Unlocked on your favorite podcast platform and unlock the secrets to confident tax planning. Remember, it's time to take control of your taxes and unleash your full financial potential.